Hello, welcome again to Precious Online Chemistry tutorial. In today's class, I'll explain the effect of concentration of the ions in the electrolyte. Now, how does concentration affect the discharge of ion during electrolysis? I will make it very snappy, very simple. For example, if you are asked to determine maybe the product of the electrolysis of conc sodium chloride. In chemistry, anytime we say that a solution is concentrated, it simply means that it contains little amount of water. Hence, during electrolysis, concentration only affects halogens. It has no effect on the cations. It will only affect the discharge of the anions. And that anion must be a halogen. The halogens we have here are fluoride ion, bromide ion, and iodide ion. So once your electrolyte contains any of these, and the instruction says that the electrolyte is concentrated, concentration will play a role. You will no longer look at the position of the ion on this series. Rather, you will now take note of the halogen that is in the electrolyte. So, if you are asked to determine the product of the electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride, what will it be? Let's go. Step 1. Ionization. So the electrolyte will ionize. So the sodium chloride ionizes into sodium ion and chloride ion, and the water ionizes into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Step 2, migration. So for the cathode, the cations will come to the cathode ray. Remember that concentration does not affect cations. So normally, sodium ion and hydrogen ion will come to the cathode, and as usual, sodium ion being more electropositive will not be discharged. Rather, hydrogen ion will be discharged. So let's go to the anode. Migration, the anions will migrate to the anode, and we have chloride ion and hydroxide ion. Of course, 2 of them will not be discharged, only 1. So which of them will be discharged now? Remember that the instruction said that the electrolyte is concentrated, and concentration affects halogens. And here we have a halogen, chloride ion. So if we look at our series, hydroxide ion is the least electronegative, but will it be discharged? No. Why? Effect of concentration. Hence, in this case, chloride ion will be discharged. So we will have for discharge, so chloride ion will be discharged and it will form chlorine gas. Remember, chlorine is a diatomic molecule, so we cannot write Cl like that. It will always be chlorine gas. So if we balance, now it is balanced. So this is how concentration affects the discharge of ion in the electrolyte during electrolysis. Only halogens are affected. Thank you.